You searched how to buy shares of Banimmo SA. This short guide shows the practical steps for Banimmo SA, a real estate company listed on Euronext under the ticker BANI.BR. This content is educational only and does not constitute financial advice. To place an order, you need a brokerage account. We use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you will need to verify the account, typically by uploading an identity document, and you must add funds before purchasing. Use the platform search box and type the ticker BANI.BR to locate the listing on Euronext. Select the result that explicitly references Banimmo SA to ensure it is the correct security. On the asset page, review the basic company information and the price chart to confirm details such as exchange and issuer. Make sure the page shows Euronext and the ticker BANI.BR before proceeding. To invest, click the Buy or Invest button, enter the amount you want to allocate, then review the order details and confirm the transaction. If the market is closed, the order may be queued or converted to a limit or pending order. And if you do not have sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before final confirmation. After the trade executes, your position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. For convenience, the eToro link is in the video description if you want to visit their site.